In this segment, we'll see how App Portal enables IT managers to enforce continual software license compliance and control software deployment, all while increasing customer satisfaction and the efficiency of application service delivery. Employing Flexera Software App Portal allows you to check license availability, obtain proper approvals, automate workflows, improve efficiency of the application request process, and reclaim unused licenses. This enhanced visibility into software asset management enables automated reclamation of unused software and avoids overspending on expensive enterprise software licenses. IT maintains the control necessary to ensure compliance with licensing agreements and corporate policy, while reducing software costs and accelerating the consumerization of IT. In this fifth and final segment of Flexera's demo series, we'll introduce you to the two aspects of App Portal, the fully customizable enterprise app store, from both the end user and the administrator perspectives. Let's start with the end user. When employees log into App Portal, they can view all of the software available to them in a single portal, including any new versions of software or operating systems. They can view this software in a multitude of ways, sorted by popularity, rating, even date of addition to the store, the same way they would any public app store like Google Play or iTunes. And if an end user doesn't see what they're looking for or know exactly what they want, there is a universal search bar at the top that helps them quickly locate the applications they need. Starting here, they can view applications in a tile view or in a list view, which provides a detailed description of the app. They can also see whether the app requires approval, what it costs, and if a license is required. End users can also rate applications with a star rating and provide a written review that enriches the consumer community and experience. This information is also extremely useful to IT when rationalizing the application portfolio. If applications consistently get low ratings, IT can remove them from the environment or provide an alternative that better meets users' needs. App Portal gives IT leverage in how it organizes the store. In this view, it is organized by vendor, but it could be organized by department or group or company. And App Portal can even be used for making hardware or other IT service requests, such as headsets, new chairs, new machines, as needed. So let's walk through a typical request. The user selects the applications they want and adds them to their shopping cart. They can then check out immediately, or continue to choose items and add them to their cart in order to avoid the inconvenience of multiple separate requests. Here we want to choose FileMaker and WinZip. FileMaker requires a license, and WinZip requires approval and a license. As we continue through the checkout process, we get more information about how to fulfill requirements, such as a question about who the app is for, the reason for purchase, and when it should be delivered. When requesting new software, App Portal will check to see if there are licenses available for the requested applications and reserve the necessary ones while it waits for approval. Here we see that WinZip is pending approval. Both the user and the manager receive emails updating them on the status of the approval and the next steps of the process. These email templates are customizable in both look and content to fit with corporate branding and provide data required to make informed business decisions. The approving manager receives all of the information regarding the request and can easily approve, reject, or ask for further clarification. The end user is kept informed on the View Status tab with real-time updates on the status of the request. Once approved, the software is automatically installed to the user's device. When used with FlexNet Manager platform, App Portal not only enforces continual license compliance, it also plays a critical role in reducing software costs and involving users in software license optimization. Through My Apps, end users are able to see a list of software installed on each of their devices, including information about the publisher and performance metrics such as cost and frequency of use. The software policy score informs the user of unused software licenses found on their device, in this case, Windows Live Writer. They have the option to keep the application or have it uninstalled. Returning unused software licenses enables the enterprise to reduce risk and limit new software purchases, allowing them to better manage software resources and departmental budgets. Giving end users access to information about their application cost and usage allows them to play a role in determining what applications they really need. The principle of crowdsourcing is that many heads are better than one. By inviting a larger crowd of people to participate, in this case, in the enterprise user community, you can reclaim unused licenses and drive more value from software license optimization. App Portal can also help to collect entitlement for applications installed outside of official IT channels. Here we see an application without a documented license. We need a proof of purchase for this piece of software, but maybe the user purchased it on their own. They can click on the alert and provide the proof of purchase, upload it on this screen, and send it to IT. The summary to the right shows that 90% of the software is good, with some software showing alerts and some other software going unused. Those can be uninstalled. This both gives the end user autonomy in managing their software consumption, and it alleviates the IT department from additional workload. Now let's look at App Portal from the admin perspective. App Portal allows IT managers to customize the configuration and visibility of their applications, to create bundles of related applications, and to show or hide applications from users in order to limit unnecessary or inappropriate choices. So, for example, we can restrict finance applications to the finance group only. We can also conduct automated license reclamation to eliminate wasteful spending on new software licenses you don't need. You can set up a reclamation campaign that will identify users who are not actively using the application and ask them if they still need it or silently uninstall the application. In a few clicks, the user can give up the application and have it automatically uninstalled. The reclaimed license is then added back into the available license pool for reuse, reducing the need to purchase more licenses and optimizing the licenses you already have. Because the end users know they can always get it back by returning to the App Portal, they are often likely to grant uninstall requests. This concludes our 5-part demo series focusing on the new and expanded capacity of Flexera Software Solutions, Admin Studio, and App Portal. We've seen how Admin Studio and App Portal address the myriad challenges facing today's IT organizations by providing solutions for delivering applications, keeping current with updates and changes, and by satisfying growing employee demand for service. These two solutions also simplify the complex environment caused by mergers and acquisitions and provide leadership in the transition to virtualization. By addressing these challenges, it becomes possible to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and ultimately prepare your company and IT department to proactively handle the ongoing evolution that defines the nature of technology. To learn more, go to flexerasoftware.com/AR.